guys, what's up? It's AGL Cubing.
Hey guys, what's up? It's LV Cubing.
And today we are going to be doing an obstacle course with running and solving 2x2s. Let's get right into it.
So basically, we are going to start from the center. We're going to go separate ways. We're going to go around the garden, then come back the same way, come here, and then there's going to be timers set up for us with the cubes that are scrambled, and then whoever solves it first or finishes first wins.
The winner of this gets a Silky GTS 3M, and they get to keep it. And this was $35, so hope and like and subscribe.
All right, guys, are you ready?
Yep.
$35 cube on the line. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! Off to a slow start. Oh my God, Arik is about to win, on his way to victory. Oh. Arik likes standing up, LV likes sitting down. We'll see which one is better. And oh my God, LV just won a $35 cube. Let's go. Arik, what have you got to say for yourself?
We did not do the same scramble. That's what I have to say. See here, he took his cube.
How are you liking your cube?
It's really nice. It's really fast. It's smooth.
All right, you know what? Double or nothing.
Yeah, fine.
All right, I will put in this GAN Air. And,
How much is it? $40, right?
yep, about that.
Oh my God,
So-
you could be walking away with $75.
So, we're gonna put these here.
You're not gonna win anything so then everybody gets fair. But then, otherwise you could be walking away with $75
Yeah.
worth of cube. Guys, so you're ready, right?
Yep.
Not yet.
Inspecting his cube.
Alright,
Bro,
I'm
this
ready.
kid.
I'm ready.
All right. Dude, you
Oh,
solved it that
wow.
quick? No, that is
he's in
crazy.
CLL soon.
Dude.
All right.
Dude,
Oh,
you solved it that quick?
That
No, that is
easy
crazy.
CLL soon.
Pretty good for mine, but
So,
I usually have an average of about
listen,
6
buddy.
to 7. But
If I win the next one,
2.190 seconds. Holy crap.
I'm gonna give that one to you.
all right.
I'm gonna give
Dude.
that one to you.
Next one.
6 point. Oh, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. How are you feeling, guys?
How does it feel?
I feel like I should not have gone for that double or nothing.
Yeah.
All right.
Next solve.
You guys are ready?
Yep. This one's looking
Dude,
pretty
if-
easy.
Arik wins this, nobody gets anything.
No, I gotta win this.
All right. 3,
All right.
2, 1, go.
Let's go. Go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my God.
This is, I got a solo
358.
chance.
All right.
358?
I got a 5. I'm happy with
Let's
that.
go.
Oh my God. But oh my God. Dude, either LV gets double or
know,
everybody gets
I really
nothing.
like this cube. I think I'm gonna be out.
Oh.
Get back here.
Dude, what the hell are they doing? May I ask? Where are they going? Alright, enough of that. You ready?
Yes.
LV, $75 worth of cubes on the line.
All right.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's
Oh
go.
my God.
Go. Let's go.
Wow.
Oh my God. What did you get?
6.
6 seconds,
Nervous
0.697.
Well, I guess
2.842.
Yes, I'll take these right now.
Holy crap. How do you feel, LV?
At least I still got my diet on.
Oh, alright, you're gonna win another challenge, right?
Yeah, I'm not.
You are? Okay. Let's catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Alright, bye.